Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and SLG's designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you what's in my bag. This is my Longchamp tote bag, mini short handle in bilberry color, and this was my very first video, and now I'm gonna give you another what's in my bag version because a lot of things already happened this past 1 year, and I would like to show you what I carry nowadays in my very cute mini tote bag. So let's start. So inside, you can see I didn't have so many things inside my bag. These are just things that I carry on a normal basis, on everyday basis. And in here you can see I am carrying this very cute spray with a very fine mist. I hope you can see the fine mist, and this mist feels very nice on the skin because it's very thin and fine. So I love this spray bottle, and it perfectly fits in my mini tote bag. Next, I have here my umbrella. I only placed my umbrella inside this pouch. This is from Christine Louvillier. When you buy a perfume, this is a free pouch, and this can also be used as sunglass case at the same time, but now I'm using it as to case my umbrella. In case it rains, I don't want the inside of my bag to get wet, so I place it inside of this very elegant pouch from Christine Louvillier. Next, I have here a very cute Cupcake shopping bag. This can easily be, since it has this hook on the outside, but I prefer to use it or place it inside, for it is a sort of a bulky, but it is also a cute design like a cupcake, right? So inside it's just a plain blue shopping bag, and I think they have a lot of different styles of this shopping bag. Next, I have here my Parfois wallet. This wallet, I have already shown this in one of my videos when I unboxed this, and I will link the video up there if you want to watch again. And I love this wallet because of the hardware. It is a different shade of gold, like an antique gold. It's not really that super shiny, as you can see. And on the inside, in this side of the key area, I have 4 keys at the moment, but I still have some room for 2. Yes, because I have 6 key ring slots. And okay, so on this side, card side, I only carry 3 cards that I really use for a daily basis. And on the zippered portion, I have some cash and some gift checks. So this is a very cute Parfois wallet. Next, I carry tissues, and I still have inside this some wipes. And if you want to see this one, this is a very cute very cute pouch, catch all. I already also was able to unbag this in one of my videos, and I will also link it up there if you haven't seen it. And I use this as a mini catch-all, like a mini pochette, but I don't have that yet. So I use this, and this is intended for small kids, babies, so that they would have the feel of the Chanel bag. But I also liked it, so I purchased this for myself as well. And others use this also as a wallet, but for me, I use it as a catch-all because it has a very wide interior. So inside, I carry another small alcohol bottle in case I run out. It's just for emergencies, extras. And then I have here my lip tint, a very elegant design. I have here my eyeshadow, nude eyeshadow, Almay. And then I have my favorite chapstick for headaches, insect bites. They're very effective. A hair tie. I have some of my medicines, emergency medicines like antacids and paracetamols. Oh, and I have another clear plastic in case I need to put some small things inside, an extra. And then the pin that opens my SIM, I always carry this inside my bag, just in case I need to open my phone or I need to get the SIM inside. And then, of course, I have here my St. Raphael's medallion inside my smaller bags. I have some band-aids. And then I have here, this is for in case I need to read the descriptions on the some small things, because this is a, what do you call this, a magnifying glass. This is very handy, especially if you need to read the descriptions on the medicines and the fonts are really small. This is very handy. I also have here some hand cream, small hand cream, and this one is I always carry as well, a small shopping bag or trash bag inside my. And then I also have the last thing inside this pouch is the thermometer, thin thermometer. So okay, it's already empty. Now I still have some small things inside. I have this one. This is to carry some extra masks, surgical mask, and I have 2 pens. So this is very nice, rose gold pen, and I also have a diamond pen. These days they are advising for us to always bring our own pens. So I just bought 2 of my favorite pens for emergencies. So it doesn't have any more. On this pocket I still have things. So try to get it now. So this is the last thing inside my bag. This is an extra card holder where I place some extra cash. Notice that I don't have any cards in here, but I have cash, extra cash inside of this from my very beautiful Coach card holder. So that's it inside my Longchamp tote bag, mini tote bag, and I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye!